Good morning. Welcome to Excel College. I'm Zana Hussein. I am the director of Excel College. Welcome you to our college to study a fantastic course called Health and Social Care Level 3 Diploma. Uh, I like to very short to explain what that course. That course, uh, when we say health and social care, it says from her name that it's to do with health. It means a diploma in health area, where with that diploma you can take care of um, those who are in need. Their health is deteriorated, for instance, those who are disabled or elderly people, to enable you to get a job in Britain, to look after them, which is now is open for everybody. And the shortage of carer in Britain raised to around 400,000 vacants. So it means they need you desperately to work for them. Basically, I want to show you the certificate so you know what's that. This is the certificate. You get it in the end when you finish the course with us. As it says, is level 3 diploma in health and social care. If you look here, you see Ofqual. Ofqual is the organization who regulate all the certificates in Britain. It means there is no qualification get recognized if do not bear that law. So that logo shows that this qualification in Britain is recognized. And this is one of those who the government insists you must have it before you take your job as a carer in Britain. Besides, you need also to pass English test, which is called IELTS from Cambridge, British Council. That exam is not too hard because it's equivalent to 4 only. So you need to pass speaking, listening, reading, and writing on medium level, we can say, which is 4. Normally for doctors, they have to get 8. And for those who come to study university, for instance, they have to score 6.5. So the one you need is 4 only, which is good. If you manage to score more, that will be a good and beneficial. So I like to take this opportunity to welcome you, and we will look after you. We make sure that you get your qualification as soon as you can when you study with us. We have a very professional team looking after you here in our college. We've been in this industry for more than 22 years. So hopefully you do your course successfully with us and you achieve. And in the end, you get your work permit visa tier 2 to work as a healthcare worker in Britain. This job, to be honest, is very rewarding because you can get you and your family to be settled while you are working. So when you complete 5 years in your job, then definitely home office will give you indefinite leave to remain, and the year follow you can get your British citizenship. So good luck to everybody. I hope to see you soon, and my team will look after you. So for more information, you can look at our website, which is excelcollege.ac, Excel, EXCEL, college, COLLEGE.AC. See you soon. Thank you very much.